Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you my OTOTO Beardy Dish Brush. I am always on the lookout for fun and unique gadgets, either for myself or to give as a gift to someone. And this kitchen sink scrubbing brush is so cute. The dish scrubber comes in two pieces. The top piece is this little bearded gnome head that has a red hat. And then the bottom piece is a little blue plate to place the scrubber onto. The total size with the scrubber placed on top of the tray is 4.4 by 2.1 inches. The gnome's hat has a cone shape and it gives a comfortable grip when I'm using it to scrub the dishes. Also, the bristles are made of sturdy material and the scrubber is dishwasher safe. The gnome is not a soap dispenser, so to use it, I need to first squirt some soap onto the dish and then start scrubbing it. I love how unique and cute this is, and it would be a great gift for special occasions such as birthdays or Christmas. Plus, it is a fun addition that adds a cute look to the kitchen. If you are looking for fun and unique kitchen gadgets either for yourself or to give to someone, be sure to take a look at this.